Okay, good afternoon. Take three. This is the Pinarello GAN 105. We're going to be reviewing that today. I'm not sure how much video space we have, but just to say who we are Spokeman Bikes. That's one of our vehicles right there, and there's our information, spokeman.net, and the phone number is there. I hope you can see that from here. Anyway, my name is Aidan, and I'm the owner, and we take care of all family and commuter and biking needs, e-bikes especially. Give us a contact. Okay, so again, this one is a 53, okay, and by 53 I'm saying it's 51 in old language, meaning 51 centimeters from top tube to center of the bottom bracket, but 53 across the top tube. Okay, so that's what I'm told is an aggressive geometry, and I like that. I like the fact that it has a slightly sloping top tube, similar to my, you can see that there, yeah, my former Bianchi. I can't think of the name of my Bianchi right now. Nerone, I believe, 7. So very similar. Now, a couple of things about sizing is that I have had some neck issues. So in order to be aggressive, I did change the stem there. The stem is very, very short, as you can see. Okay, I'm not even sure what size that is, but very short, which I like. But then, coupled with that, I put in very wide carbon bars. Okay, so I had just normal, I think the size was 14 or 15 inch across. These are 16 and a half. So so that is really what I want to come right to, is just to say that the climbing on this is absolutely fantastic. It's absolutely amazing, and there's no more reason for it. But just want to say at this point, yes, I'm extremely happy with this. I'll give maybe one downside, but let's keep going. Okay, so the other thing I did changed is I put in my Mavic Kissirium, I think you call them. Okay, as my wheels. Yeah, they're very similar to what they sent, which is Fulcrum, but just preferred my own. I like they are very narrow. They're not wide rims. I don't like wide rims because a lot of people say they're fantastic, they're aerodynamic. I say they blow you all over the place in the wind, so that's why I don't get them. A good friend of ours told me that. Then the other thing I changed was I had a 53 on the Bianchi on the front. So I've put that on, I've installed that. I know it looks a little old and a little ragged, but just being a mechanic, I think you'll know that the rear cogs and the chain, yeah, they wear out very easily, but the front usually lasts a very long time. So there's my Shimano 105 5339 on the front. Okay, so that has given me a heck of a lot of power. So just for me, I always would be one that would would climb in the big ring as much as possible. So 10 to 15% climbing I can still get in the big ring. I might be in the top here, which I believe is 1128 or 1128, is that right? Yes, 11 to 28 is the rear. I don't know if you can see that there, but yeah, Shimano 105 throughout, which I'm a huge believer in. It's sort of the mid-range Shimano. It's not the highest Shimano, it's not the worst Shimano, it's right in the middle, and I've been using Shimano 105 now for about 10 years, never had any issues. Very seldom have I worn out a derailleur or pedals. Yeah, obviously I put my pedals from a Bianchi on there. They're a little worn looking too, but they work, no problem, no need to change anything there. Let's see, what else can I tell you? So the one downside, what is the downside? No, there really isn't one. I've just put on this this San Marcos saddle, which I got at a yard sale. It's worth about 90 bucks, and I got it for 20. So I'm going to give that a shot. I haven't tried that yet, but it's very similar. This is the seat that was on there, which is a Most seat, I'm told, MOST. This was good. This was nice and comfy. This was great. I'm about 150 pounds, so it was very comfortable. So yeah, thanks for listening. Let's see, I'll come back and add some more to this, I think, just as I ride it more. But following just a few adjustments, maybe that's my only criticism, is that yes, I did have to make a few adjustments to I've changed the stem, I've changed the bars, and I've changed the wheels, and I've changed the front chainring. Maybe these are all by choice, though. I would say that it's usable the way it comes from the factory stock. So very happy with it. Let's see if we can win a couple of grand phonos with it. So thanks again for joining us. We are spokeman.net. Give us a like, a love, or a share, and we'll talk to you again soon.